because you can go and check the steps. Shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first go and click this. Okay, let me start from beginning. So when you open Gyanshala, right, info at HWF password,
Yes, sir.
info at gyanshala.com, password info at HWF.
Yes,
So when
sir.
you enter that, you will reach this page. This is the landing page. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, and just see the logo is there and 162 subscribers, because there could be other pages with the same name. So look at this 162 subscribers, or look at the this one, the image here. You can see a forest.
okay,
Okay, look
sir.
at this first. Then you start, because sometimes what mistake I've made is, since I've got multiple YouTube channels,
Mm.
so it happens. So just go here and say create. First
Oh,
one here. There's
yes,
a
sir.
small icon here. You just say create, say upload video.
Okay.
Then say select file.
Yes, sir.
You can actually, if you have multiple videos, you can do all at one shot also.
Okay,
Two,
sir.
three, four. But better to do one at a time, because the
Yes,
speed will come down.
yes,
Now
sir.
look for the video. Now, for example, the video is ready and it has been saved. Say, in my case, it is here in Project Nyanchala.
Yes,
It is
sir.
in content. So here there is a ready story, but I'll go here, storytellers content,
Yes, sir.
and you see here Ramya
Yes,
sample Kannada story, right?
yes,
Okay,
sir.
I should have actually taken you to the video creation tool,
Mm.
then come here. But anyway, I'll do it ulta. First, I'll
Okay.
show you how to upload. So this
Yes.
is the video that I want to upload. So I'll say
Yes.
open. Okay, longer the duration, more time it takes to
Upload.
upload. Okay, now in the meantime, what you can do is rather than sit idle, you
Yes,
can
sir.
do these things at least, like title. Um, like, I'll just put something sample.
Yes, sir.
I don't remember what was the story all about. Story about friendship, I think it was.
Yeah. Yes,
It was
sir.
about friendship, if I remember right. About friendship. Something, one title you can give and be uniform in giving the titles for all the videos so that it becomes easy.
Sir, or we can give the code also, sir.
Yeah, code, yeah, whatever. Yeah, code also will be better.
Yes,
Or
sir.
you can start with the code, So what we call it, JSP, we are saying, right?
Yes.
GSP dash P2A dash 001.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this also I'll give, not required. So this can come here also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whatever you can describe it later on. I've
Yes.
just given a description, so it is still uploading.
Yes, sir.
So we'll wait for it to upload. And this is again, yes, it's made for kids. No, it's made for kids.
Okay, sir.
So the thing is, if you choose no, you can put comments on the video. So,
Yes,
but
sir.
rather you keep it yes, yes, it's made for kids because it is easy to. Of late, there is sometimes YouTube does a quick check on the videos,
Yes, sir.
so they will not have any suspicion. But problem is if you put yes, it's made for kids, you can't give comments on the YouTube video.
Okay, sir.
I mean, but it's not required in our case.
Yes, sir.
And here also, you restrict my video to viewers above 18. So that is okay, fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So it is still okay. In the meantime, nothing to do with the YouTube.
Yes.
The email that you sent to the interns,
Yes.
the deadline was 26th of December. I think you have given today deadline. So I don't know
Sir,
how they'll prepare it by today, end of day.
okay, sir. Sir, in the mail at the beginning, you had told that you wanted it by today, sir. That's why I changed
No,
it.
no, no, no. what I wrote is for you to send.
Okay, sir.
See, please upload the Excel sheet using for you. Please send by today end of day.
Okay, sir.
Because I know it is not possible to do it at short notice.
I will,
Yeah,
uh,
I,
I'll change the date for them, sir.
yeah, 26th is what I had put actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll change the date for them.
And somebody who is not on this thing, you can put the personal email ID.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think it is done. Now slowly it is picking up the images. Okay. Okay, before that I'll show you this also. So what I told you is playlist. You can choose as many playlists as possible.
Okay,
So you
sir.
can say, see, already it is there. Nyanshala content for phase 2
Yes, sir.
is there already. Okay.
Yes.
So
And we can also create a new playlist if required.
yeah. So now what you do is you create one more playlist because
Okay,
we
sir.
are saying each course will be a playlist, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can say like this JSP 001
Yes, sir.
create. And you can put that also. And there is one more called Nyanshala. You can put that in that place. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So you can
Okay.
choose both. So one is a specific playlist called JSP P2A001. The other one is content for phase 2. So,
Yes.
so tomorrow you want to see all the content for phase 2. You can go here and check the playlist. So
Yes.
why playlist is required is because now you're using the HWF YouTube channel, which already has about 70, 80 videos. So it becomes very easy to uh, hunt for the video and then identify that.
Yes, sir.
Say done. See, now you see the image has come.
Yes,
But it's
sir.
a very scary one. So you may want to use, don't want to use. Look at a face.
Yes, sir.
So you can go here and you can, but the problem is there are only three choices that are given. See, this looks decent. This
Yes, sir.
looks okay. This looks very ugly. This looks very odd. You can
Yes.
choose this as the thumbnail. So what
Yes.
is a thumbnail? Thumbnail is when you share. I'll show you. When I share it on you with you on YouTube, this image will come in the thumbnail.
Okay.
If you're not
Okay.
happy with any three, you don't have a choice. Unlike Facebook, in
Yes.
Facebook you will get 20, 30 images. Here you get only three. So what
Yes.
you do is you can upload image. Here it is not required because this image looks pretty good. The first one I've chosen.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, if you're not happy, you can go here. Like I'll show you how to do it.
Yes, sir.
No, not this. There'll be some image that I'll pick up.
We can put any image related to the video, sir.
Yeah, which I'm just putting a sample one time being.
Okay, sir.
Just this is just a sample to show you. So I'll
Yes.
put this. So what happens when I share this image will come.
Yes, sir. Got it.
See, this lady has gone away now, right? But I'll go back to this only because this is not really. Oh, four has come. Okay, it will come slowly, but yeah, you choose this one for the
Yes.
time and choose the playlist here. If you don't have a create, I told you create a new playlist and add and say done.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
forget to say done. No, say
Yes.
done. Okay, then say next here. So this is done. This page is done.
Yes, sir.
You have given the title. You have given the description. You have said the no kids. Sorry, for kids,
Yes, sir.
and you have chosen the thumbnail. Next one, this is not important. You can straight away skip it.
Yes, sir.
This is important. So this is what I was telling to Santosh. You have three choices: private, unlisted, public.
Yes,
If you
sir.
make it public, everyone can see. So make it unlisted. That is better. Unlisted means anyone with the video link can watch your video.
Okay, sir.
If you make it public, it goes everywhere. So rather you keep it unlisted for the time being.
Yes, sir.
If you keep it private, means only you and few people can see, not even people with link can
Link.
see. But in
Okay.
our case, I think you should keep this one
Unlisted.
unlisted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because only restricted to few people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So say unlisted there and then say save. You're
Yes.
done actually.
Okay.
Now I was telling you about this, copy.
Yes, sir.
So this you can copy. or what you can do is you can go to
Reduce the link size.
yeah. Normally I do that.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm sharing, the speed is little slow.
Yes, sir.
See, this is WhatsApp I've sent now.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
You can see the this image that I had chosen.
Yes, sir.
So just close this. So it is done. Now what you do is you go back to that your channel playlist. Okay. Now let's use because now you are interacting with the Gelati, for example.
Yes, sir.
So this is the playlist, and in the playlist, the first one becomes the main one. Okay,
Yes.
because you can have multiple videos,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you can have, and then
Yes.
there is a loop playlist, and then there is shuffle. Don't use shuffle. Say loop. Loop
Okay.
means one after that it will come in
Yes,
sequence.
sir.
When you say shuffle, one may go to four,
Yes.
four,
Yes.
3, 2. So don't use that. You close that, and the blue should be here. So look
Yes.
at the color here. It becomes blue.
Yes,
That
sir.
means after this video, automatically the second video comes. And if you're not happy with the sequencing, you can move. Okay, I'll show you that also. What I'll do now for the time being, I'll put one more video here just to show you. Okay, your Blood Kumar, right? This fellow. No, okay, I'll not use that. Um, okay, this video itself, same video, but with a different name. Edit video.
Yes, sir.
I'm editing. This is an old video that I put, not which I put now. This is a little different. So here you go and choose this also.
Yes, sir.
Save.
Yes, sir.
Every time you have to save. Okay, now why I'm showing this is I want to show you playlist. You can choose here also, but I'm not very comfortable. Subtitle from here. There's some
Yes.
shortcuts available. Okay, I normally prefer to go here. Your channel playlist.
Yes, sir.
When you say playlist and say now you'll find two videos, not one. See
Yes, sir.
what I did now and what I did a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
Okay,
Now
sir.
what I also told you is you can play around, right? See,
Yes, sir.
see,
We can just drag and move it.
like this.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
you want this to, suppose you want this one to come first. This will come first. You
Yes,
want
sir.
this to come first, like this. So you can play with the sequence and then you choose this loop.
Okay, sir.
So Gelati doesn't even have to struggle. After she finishes this, no, you see what happens. Automatically it comes here.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have only two, so we can test. If you have 3, 4 videos, you can test, no, how it comes. Now, for example, I've created so many playlists. Let me choose playlist, which is slightly longer. Okay, this has more content. See, and some I forgot to mention. There are few financial literacy videos that I have here,
Yes,
which
sir.
may or may not be used. See, Ramya's one more video is there here, no, which you may not be aware. It's a slightly old one. You may want to check that also. So in
Yes.
this case, I'll just play around. I'll put this first. Sorry, I'll
Okay.
put this here in between, and I'll say shuffle. Sorry, I say loop. Okay, now this video is playing, right?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
take it to the end. Now you see what happens. Ramya's video should. Are you able to hear the audio?
Yes, sir. The next one started
Yeah,
playing.
it's coming. See. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's so simple. So
Yes.
any questions here?
No, sir.
Very
No doubt.
simple. See, home videos, playlist, channels. In fact, in future, you can also create one special Gyanshala channel, but not now. You
Okay,
can
sir.
do that as well in the
Yes.
future.
Yes, sir.
Separate channel can be created within this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what this. Rest all you don't have to touch. You can only see this. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So no doubts, no.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what I was supposed to show you is,
Video editing.
yeah. So this is my tool that I'm using. Is that tool here? Okay. So it will be slightly slow because I'm sharing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't. Okay. I don't have a raw video. Let me see. The Ramya's raw video, I think I might have deleted. Let me see. 1 minute. I think video with green screen alone, I have deleted that.
Yes.
So I can't show you that. Um, you have any green screen video? She has said many videos you told now.
Yes. Yes, sir. I have one green screen video.
Okay, how will you share with me? It must be huge, so I don't know.
Sir, I can share the link through WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, share it with. I don't know how much time it will take. Just send.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, this will take time. This will take a lot of time. Um, see, Anyway, 249 is still small. Sometimes she sends in 1.7 GB and but it will take time.
Yes.
You have any short video?
No, sir.
No, no. Okay, it will take time. See, it is still. Okay. Anyway, my internet is very fast, so it is. They should use handbrake. I told so many times. 249 would have been just 10 MB.
Yeah. So should we use handbrake after editing or before editing, sir?
Before editing, firstly the video has to be shortened.
Yes.
Otherwise, your video software tool will be very slow. So what you have to do is you have to go here. I'll show you that also. Okay, see, it is done, I think. Because my speed is fast, that's why it is see 261. Normally, if you had done it in office, you would have still waited. So it is 249, 261, right?
Yes, sir.
Open source. Say very fast here, very fast. Top one. You can see top one very fast.
Yes, sir.
And then start. 261 MB. Let's see how much it will convert to. It will be, let's see how much, 30, 40 or maybe less. But one more thing is you can see the image here. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
the flaw that you are seeing? Can you tell me what is the flaw?
There are wrinkles on the green screen.
Yeah, that also I had mentioned in the SOP. It should be clean. See, now what will happen is it will not be so smooth, when I convert.
Yes, sir.
And here it is open. Here.
Yes, sir.
And secondly, her face is not very okay. I can do it in video editor. It is not center. See, and a face could have been, like this one. Anyway, we can change that in the video editor. I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
I think this is taking a surprising. Normally, this takes less time. So after editing the video, again you have to do this. By the way, you
Okay,
can
sir.
still crunch it. Yeah, I do it twice.
Yes, sir.
Once a video is there, crunch it, bring it into the tool. Again, you do it. It will be better.
Yes.
So the size becomes very small.
Okay, sir.
It's taking time. So meantime, I'll go to my iMovie. So this is iMovie here. Uh, it's a very simple and easy tool. I don't know how is Wondershare Filmora because I've never used it. So here you see this is for converting the putting the green screen. All this must be common. Even you might be having the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Audio, if you want to reduce the voice of the this thing, you want to reduce the background noise. So when you are in a place where a lot of noise, you can increase this to 80, whatever.
Yes, sir.
You can do a lot of things. Equalizer, I've got equalizer also. Then you can increase the speed.
Yes, sir.
It's here. Suppose you want to show a video where you can increase the speed also. Lot of things. It's very slow. Okay. So Audio also, I have given you the link to audio. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. See, look at how many mails are there.
Mm.
On this, you have to see. Mm. In the meantime, okay, I don't have access now, but I can do a quick. I don't have access to Happy World Foundation. I'm not the admin anymore. But LinkedIn, I can show you very quickly till that opens. I don't want to waste our time.
Yes,
So once you are given admin access, you will see Happy World Foundation here.
yes, sir.
So I am admin. So if you go to your page, right, you'll get Happy World, my page, Happy World Foundation.
Yes, sir.
You have to click that. Unfortunately, unlike Facebook, there is no scheduling.
Okay.
So in Facebook page, you can post it for the future.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you can't do it. So it's very simple. Just put the content here. If you have the photo, you can put here. Video, you can put. It accepts up to 10 photos.
Okay, sir.
And video should not be more than 10 minutes in duration. It will not accept.
Yes, sir.
You can put PDFs also here.
Yes, sir.
Can you, Facebook, I don't have access, but these are some of my pages, personal, that I use. This is not our project Nyanchala. This is some different. This is nothing to do with our project.
Yes, sir.
Creating, you can create a post and send immediately, or
Schedule it.
future posts you can use using Creator Studio.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In Facebook page, the advantage is you can um, see you can schedule backdate schedule. Here you see
Yes,
you
sir.
can't do it even for personal Facebook. It has to go now. Only for Facebook page it is allowed. Future, unfortunately, LinkedIn also does not allow.
Okay.
Only same time. Let's see the progress. Okay, very slow. Okay, what else you wanted to learn? In the meantime, I can show you.
Yes, sir. Just the video editing, sir.
So, social media.
So the forms, how to merge them.
Merge. Yeah, I was thinking about that only. Very simple. For me, everything is simple. What to do? That's what Santosh thinks everything is easy.
Yes.
Because he has not seen the
Not
complex.
everyone
Yeah.
is
So he
multitask.
thinks, okay, I can do means you can. It's not like that. It's not so. Even this Archana struggled. Finally, I only did.
Yes.
I don't know what is the password now. I don't know. I have not opened for a long time. Same password. Anybody has changed? No, no.
Which one, sir?
Nyanshala password. Anybody has changed? No,
No,
no.
sir. Same password.
I'm using after a long time. Mm, Security alert. So one mail is unread. Okay. Okay. Here. Go to forms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this I was telling you, no. So each now since you have to bring this data, Sarla form data to this, no. What I
Yes.
was telling you is first open all the related Excel sheet, you know. So you know, I think you know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Response, go to response and then see
Yes.
here download will something will be there. Download, see download a response. So all
Yes.
three you have to first download. It's going to be a little tough. It's not easy. You have to bring the data from there to here very carefully. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is how to merge. Okay, so for merging, there is one software that we have to use and that is already uploaded.
Yes.
There's an app. There's no ready solution, ready, I mean, feature. Okay, so what is that feature? You have to go here. At the end, you know, you'll see something called form merger.
Okay.
It is not there in all the things because here I have downloaded the app.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you go to anyone, if I go to say this is other one, right? Now you see here, right? See, there is no, you saw this info.
Yes, sir.
Info, it is not there, right? So only here it is available. First,
Okay.
I'll shut this down. Uh, One more thing is when you merge, you know, keep all accounts closed. Keep only Gyanshala open. That is
Okay.
one trick. Others, it will give you trouble. So keep
Yes.
only Gyanshala open.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Form merger, click that. What is the progress? 63. Okay. Review permission. It will keep troubling you. That is the problem. It is not so straightforward. See. That's what, you know, this is a problem. So I think what I'll do is I'll come out. First, I have to come out of all the accounts. It is still picking that one. Now go to Nyanshala. You are at home or church?
Home, sir. I'll have to go back at 5:30, sir.
Oh God. See, here it is. Yeah. It is not, it requires a lot of practice.
Yes.
First trick is close all the Gmail accounts first. Everything should be closed, signed off,
Yes.
completely sign off. If you don't sign off, no, it will go and check other accounts
Okay, sir.
and will create problem. So now only Nyanshala is open, right? Okay. And I've signed out from all the accounts.
Yes, sir.
So here you are in, so after clicking that particular app, you know, you are here. Now it is a very easy thing for you, you know. See, you have to select the forms first. Okay. Now and also one more thing, keep one more thing in mind. It goes by this sequence. You can't change.
Okay, sir.
So the trick I'll tell you. What is the trick? So there are some tricks I've learned myself. It is not mentioned anywhere. It all happens by practice. Okay, now common women youth, right? Forget
Yes.
Sarala form. Common women youth. I want women first.
Yes,
You
sir.
can't do it there in in that particular thing. What I'll do is I'll play here. I'll first click on common survey. Okay, I'll do some. I'll not make any change. I'll just say something and then leave it as it is. You
That
see
will
what
appear.
you see what happens now. Oh, 1 minute. I have to make some change. All trial and error I learnt this. See,
Yes.
you saw?
Yes.
Now Sarala you forget because I don't have to choose that, you know. So I want women, common, youth, as I said, you know. So what I'll do is I'll come here. Now we'll say select the form. What I'll choose first, women, common. So women, it is taking that, huh? Okay. Oh God. This is the problem here. So what I have to do is again go back here. I'll bring common survey. Okay, but then this will come here. So lot of plug and play you have to do, you know. So it will
Yes.
not accept. Let me see whether I have not tried this one. No, it doesn't accept. So a lot of this thing you have to do jugglery here. No?
Yes.
It is not so straightforward here. Okay, and then come here and then choose. See here also, I thought it will allow this and this. No, it's allowing. So women, common, youth. Okay,
Yes.
I have not chosen this one.
Yes.
Say select.
Correct.
Okay. Now you want with section or continuous form? You better say section.
Okay,
If you
sir.
put section, it will come section and save the form. Now let us give a new form. I'll delete it later on.
Okay, sir.
Merge. Because I've done it many times. No, it is very easy. But somebody like you wants to do it first time, you will struggle.
Yes.
And that goes for anything. You know, the more you practice, more you do it. You know, and but after 2 months, 3 months, if I have to do anything, you know, I'll also be struggling initially.
Yes, sir.
And this is a okay. Now this is done. We'll wait. So this is a app called X Fanatical Form Merger.
Yes, sir.
This is the app actually. You don't have to download; it's already there.
Yes, sir.
But in future, if for some other account, so this is the form merger app that you have to go and download. Okay, now you have merged.
Yes.
Now here you see down, open, successfully merged, down, open
Yes.
test form. I'll click on that. So this is section 1 now.
Okay, sir.
Section 2, section 3.
Section 3. Yes, sir.
After doing this, what you can do is you can go to response, select response destination, download whatever. You can select the response destination on that. Right now, what I'll do is to avoid any confusion, I will delete it.
Yes, sir.
Understood, no?
Yes,
You have to
sir.
play around with the this thing, you know. So if this is not coming in sequence, um, no, you can now a common survey has to come before, no?
Yes, sir.
So just make a small change, like this Gadati, you know. I put I again. Go to this one, say save. See,
Yes, sir.
youth is not required, so don't worry.
Okay,
Only
sir.
these two. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll come out of this. Now our video is ready.
Yes, sir.
How much was that? You remember? Not it is not crunched so much, but we'll crunch it. 260 has become 140. Not much. Okay, we'll do it later. Okay, I've got this now.
Yes, sir.
Now this is how Mac works. I don't know how it works in your Wondershare
Yes.
Filmora. It's a 7.4 this one. So this one I'll bring it here. Then because this is something I did before we joined the meeting. It becomes easy. So I've readily brought all the, this thing and all.
Yes, sir.
As I mentioned, this will come here. So this is that one long one. We can make, you can make it short. I could have done it, but um, keep it 6.5 here.
Yes, sir.
6.5. Yeah. Extend this to 9. Make this 6.5. Bring this one.
The bell.
Sorry, where is that? What is this 27.3? Let me see. No, no, no. Okay. This is still downloading. Just wait. So this is 2.5.
Okay, sir.
And in the end, this will be ulta. So the bell comes first.
Yes, sir.
Comes here. And then this one, why it is taking time? Okay. It's taking time. I don't know.
Yes.
This I want only 6.5.
Yes, sir.
I'll copy this here and pin it here. Okay. So this is all set. So now green screen, right? So in mine it works like this. I have to keep it here. So this becomes the background actually.
Okay, sir.
Now what do I want? I want this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do is again go back to media. I want this here. So this will come down. Okay, but will not allowing. What you do is click on this because again, as I said, you have to see how it works in yours. I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Little complicated. Okay, what we'll do? I forgot. There's a one step that I have to follow. Okay, now bring this here. Yeah, bring this lady here. Okay, now it will work. See picture in picture. Split screen, green blue. So
Yes, sir.
did you see that? Okay, now uh, I told you, no, she's not in center.
Yes, sir.
See, you saw that gap. You saw, no? You can see here
Yes, sir.
white, and here, okay, you
With
can't see, but 1 minute. Okay, now I've increased her face. It was very, but she is not in the center. You saw,
yes, sir.
not in the center. So Okay. So if you want a transition, you can give here. No? But I normally give a transition
Yes, sir.
here, so that straight away that this thing will not come. And in the end, I'll give one transition here. You could even remove this and extend it. But anyway, sorry, it will take some time. So make the transition. First, so bring it here. Okay, done. Done. 6.5, 2.5. Okay, done. Now you want to enhance the sound? You can do that. Go here. You can enhance the sound. Suppose the voice is not very, so you can go up to 400. I can go
Yes, sir.
because of, yeah, I'll put 200 for the time. Now let's see. And this also you want to reduce, you can reduce if you find the volume to be too high. Okay, now I'll start. Okay, now one more thing I forgot.
Shankar Maha. Okay, why is this not coming like this? Okay, bell should ring first. Okay. Yeah. Shankar Mahadevan.
I don't know why it is. There's a bell ringing. Just keeping that. 1 minute. So in the end, it is there. Sorry, not at the start.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you're able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll come to the end.
Shankar Mahadevan.
You're also same mistake I made.
Yes, sir.
It is at the end. Pick the ring first. This. Here also I can do that.
Yes, sir.
And you can start this. Yes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, when I do it, it looks so simple, so easy. Somebody will think, it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes job.
Yes.
But to achieve this perfection, it took me hours and hours. It is not easy. Yeah. Because many people, they first struggle to do this, bringing the green
Yes.
screen in. Now with practice, I am able to do it quicker. Otherwise, it will take time. Then other thing you want to do is, you can't do it in my software.
Yes.
You have to put a logo right here.
Yes, sir.
Uh, in my software, I can't do it because it doesn't allow more than two. I'll show it why. I'll show it to you why. But in yours, it is possible.
Yes, sir.
You can't do it, unfortunately. LM small. No, that one. See, the logo should come here. See, doesn't allow. Maximum it allows is 2 levels. It doesn't allow.
Okay, sir.
See, see,
Yes, sir.
it's coming and sitting there. So that is a challenge in this software actually. Any doubts here? And if you want to add subtitle and all, you know how it is. It's
Yes.
very easy. Titles are there.
Yes, sir.
Here it is not required, but I'm saying just in case you want to use scroller or ticker, you can bring it here. I think that works. But that
Yes.
comes here. See, you
Okay.
can say Ramya Srinidhi, whatever.
Yes, sir.
So when if somebody sees this when I'm doing, oh, it is so simple.
Yes, sir. This looks like a 5 minutes job, but I know
Yeah,
how difficult it's going to be.
yeah, but don't tell him about this because he has never done a video, so he'll not. I mean, Santosh,
Yes, sir.
he'll think it is cakewalk. So there are various this thing here. No? I've got so many choices.
Yes, sir. Got it.
You look at that. See, to use that now, but ticker is there. See, that.
Yes, sir.
So what should I do with this video? You want or there's a lot of
No, sir. I will edit this video, sir. I
uh,
learned.
just name it. Ramya Srinidhi 2. See this how it comes. Now
Okay.
this memories of this thing,
2020.
Yeah, these are all not easy, See,
Yes.
you
Different
saw,
different clips need
you
to be
saw
added.
different
Yes.
different Jackson's.
Yes, sir.
This is a Jackson's song, and then suddenly I bring Gandhi's this one.
Yes, sir.
Each image I have to spend a lot of time, that going from left to right, top to bottom. So that all
Yes.
has to be done. And then this song ended fast, ended early, and my video was longer. So I had to bring a part of that. See, look at this song now. But somebody who views will never feel it. See, the song is ending. See,
Yes, sir.
song is ending there. Emerging videos. This is a small video. So it's an art, basically. You have to be an artist.
Yes, sir.
how to bring the photo, how to do the transition, how to put the title, what title to use, subtitle, what mode of titling you should use. It's an art. See, like this thing comes suddenly. See. It took almost 1 day for me, Sunday. So it is not just getting pictures, all that.
Yes.
Almost most of the videos, like even this video was complicated. Even this also, inauguration was a bit complicated.
Mm.
So any questions here?
No, sir. No question as of now.
Because I can't help you on that one, Filmora.
Yes, sir.
You can stop the recording now.
Okay, sir.
I think